Salam and hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hijab. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy it. Style 1. This style is most commonly applied. So attach both ends of the lid and pin to the neck. After that, take the left, take it up and pin it. Then the right side is taken to the side near the left shoulder. Style 2. This style is easier because it only uses 2 pin needles. The way is, bring the right side to the left of the head and pin right. Then, neatly and pin on the left side of the head. And done. Style 3. Shorten the right side and extend the left side. As always, pin to the neck. Then bring the left side up to the right. And pin it. It's done. Style 4. Attach both ends of the lid, then pin to the bottom of the chin. After that, bring the right side and just pin it to the left shoulder. Easy, right? Style 5. Put the lid under the chin. Then bring left side to the right shoulder and pin it. Then bring the right side to the left side of the head. And last but not least, style 6. Align both ends of the lid. And bring the right side to the left shoulder and pin it. Then, take the left side and roll 2 times around the neck. But don't choke it anyway. After that, insert the knot into the fold and refine it as you see fit. And you're done. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I choke you down just like a